Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please take
Please
this.
have a seat.
Thank you.
Tell me something about yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me this chance to introduce myself. My name is Tavi Singh Chib and I am an inhabitant of village Rila, sub-division Gandro. I have completed my 9th standard previously and currently I am pursuing my 10th standard from Summerhill Public High School Gandro. I have a keen interest in mountain trekking and rearing sheep and rearing cows. Also, in my future, I want to join police service to become a police officer. That is all about me, sir.
Okay. You want to become a police officer, means IPS,
Yes, sir.
in short terms. If you become a police officer in future,
Yes, sir.
what changes would you like to bring in the administration of police Jammu and Kashmir state?
Sir, the main role of police is to maintain law and order of the state. So, sir, I will firstly focus on the law and order. And secondly, the main problem of our Kashmir is terrorism. Sir, in Kashmir, due to the rise of terrorism, especially in Jammu region, have a very bad effect on our J&K state. Sir, firstly, I will do search operations and I will increase the patrolling on the border and the neighboring districts of my area or my jurisdiction. Also, sir, I will be able to maintain the law and order of the state. I will be able to if I will be able to maintain the law and order of the state, I will give my best efforts or I will give my 100% efforts in it. So, sir, by giving my efforts, I can be able to make more maintaining of law and order in my state, in my jurisdiction and in my state.
Ram Jogani, I would like to ask you one simple question.
Yes, sir.
What is a resource according to you?
Sir, according to me, sir, resource is anything which is available to fulfill man's need, which is economically feasible, culturally acceptable, and technologically accessible. For example, water, sunlight, and minerals.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Do you know about Article 370, which is in news in 2019, hai na? In news, which is now abrogated from Jammu and Kashmir state. Mention about something about Article 370.
So, Article 370 states that the citizen of Jammu and Kashmir got double citizenship. First is citizenship of J&K and second citizenship of India. In Article 370, no person of other state can buy land in J&K. Also, sir, the only J&K people have right to be an employee in J&K. So, sir, these three different these three are the main points of Article 370.
As after the abrogation of Article 370,
Yes, sir.
hai na, which is abrogated in 9 August 2019,
Yes, sir.
and after that amendment bill came to Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act.
Yes, sir.
है ना? I think which is implemented in 31st of October 2019. Could you tell me, according to the J&K Reorganization Act 2019, the union territory created without legislature, name the union territory
Yes, sir.
which is created without legislature, and tell me the difference between the union territory with the legislature and the union territory without legislature.
Sir, the UT of Ladakh is the UT which is made it without the legislature, and sir, the difference between the legislature UT is that the head of the UT will be CM, and sir, without legislature the head will be LG. Sir, for example, in Kashmir there is CM Chief Minister Umar Abdullah with his cabinet, and there is Parliament of there is the Legislative Assembly of J&K, in which different legislative assembly MLAs meet up and they discuss about the problems and the consequences.
Okay. One last question from me.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about the conservatism
Yes, sir.
in nationalism in Europe?
Yes, sir.
First, you can tell me what is conservatism,
Yes, sir.
and in nationalism in Europe, it is mentioned that new conservatism started after 1815. What is conservatism, and what kind of this new conservatism is?
So conservatism is an ideology which is mainly practiced by orthodox and radical people of the society, which who want to preserve the culture and tradition of the society and don't want any change. So new conservatism was started in 1815 after defeat of Napoleon in Battle of Waterloo, where he was defeated by Austria, Russia, Prussia, and England. After that, a treaty was signed, which is known as Treaty of Vienna, under the chancellorship of Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. In this treaty, the main objective was to undo all Napoleonic changes and to establish monarchy all over Europe. And sir, also in this treaty was signed that the year Louis Philippe was made the king of France, who was an ruler of Bourbon dynasty. Also, a series of new territories were found on border of France to protect further expansion, and the countries who were in Treaty of Vienna were given new lands.
Very good, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tavish.
Yes, sir.
During the 17th century, the French society was divided into
Three groups.
three groups. Would you like to explain it in brief?
Yes, sir. In during the 1700s, the French society was divided into three groups. It was a pyramid-like structure. On the top of the pyramid was the clergy, and secondly was nobility, and third the peasantry. In the nobility come the people of wealthier castes, the people who had political power, political support, and big lands. Also, clergy the people of church came, who were the orthodox people of church, and in peasantry, the poor people of the area, the businessmen, the merchants, etc. came. So the 98% of French population was a third state, in which peasantry came, and 1% and 1% population was nobility and clergy. Yes, sir.
Mr. Tavish, tell me about which is your favorite subject, which is your favorite person apart from your blood relation, and which is your favorite country apart from India, and why?
So my favorite country about India is sir, I can say Japan, and sir, favorite person is my teacher. Everything.
Which one teacher? Nominate one.
So currently he is Rahul, sir.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
why?
So because he is very experienced, he teaches very well, and also he motivates very well, and makes a personality a cult in it, and makes a discipline in the school.
Why Japan? You mentioned that my
So
favorite
because
is Japan.
by technology, Japan is the world's #1 country, and in Japan, the advancement of technology led to a new era, and that is why I said Japan is my one of